Hello viewers, now I am going to show you how to turn off background apps on Windows 10 computer. Click on Start menu, then click on Settings. Turning off background apps may boost up your PC performance and save your battery life. Click on Privacy here, scroll down. Here you will find background apps. Click on background apps. Here a lot of apps are running in background in my computer and it causes the slow performance of my computer. You can turn off all background app at once by clicking here. Click here to turn it off. All background apps are turned off right now. Or you can turn off background app one by one. Click turn off one by one background app. This is the easiest way to turn off background app and boost up performance of Windows 10 computers.